Hey, Brandon here. I am getting beyond frustrated with my compartment doors on my 2022 Renegade Verona. And let me show you what's going on. I've got actually the doors, for some reason they're all on the passenger side, and I've done a little bit of research, looked at the forums and Facebook groups for Renegade, and sounds to be a common problem. These are very well built coach. I have no qualms with the Renegade quality, but there's not a whole lot of information on the compartment doors, how to make subtle adjustments so the doors shut nicely. So I'm going to show you an idea. This one I just adjusted. There you go. Ha! All right. I'm laughing because I was like going, uh-oh, maybe I didn't do that right. But yeah, no, this one's fine now. And I've got another one here that when you open it, see that? Got a little bit. Now, I got this damage here, and I'll fess up. The last time we used it, which was just a couple weekends ago, that actually my wife, she noticed that this door and this compartment door both swung open, and this one made contact with a post. And anyway, so I've already gone in and done a little bit of adjustment to this hinge and this hinge to get it to where it'll actually close, because the way it was set wouldn't. So now you kind of got to lift it up. I'm a little bit anal, and so I'll be honest, I'm not happy with having to lift it up. I would rather have it just work. Every other coach I've had some very nice coaches over the years, and I've not struggled with anything like I've struggled with the compartment doors on this particular coach. I like how sealed these are, and so I mean that's a good thing, but kind of the trade-off of having this nice thick seal here is that there's a little bit of resistance. When I've been researching, I was actually told or read, get some blue painter's tape, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Painter's tape, and we're just gonna run this here, and we're gonna do it on the bottom as well. All right, so we're gonna put it on the bottom as well. Now we're gonna cycle the door here, and we're actually gonna see where these latches are contacting the blue tape, because this is an important thing. So here we go. Yeah, see how it's not. Okay, now it did, because I gave it quite a bit. All right, so the latch is right in the middle, and this is actually not quite in the middle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these slip joint pliers, and we're gonna make an adjustment. So what I mean by that is carefully, you don't want to wreck the powder coat on these, but you're just going to give them a little bit of a tug, just a little bit. And okay, a little bit there. Now we're going to take the tape off. Now let's try it. Ha! That's what you want. All right, so I'm happy with that. So hopefully that helps you. I got to do a little bit more adjustment on this guy because of it dropping down when I pull it. See, that's going to take a little bit more, but at least I have door number 1 and door number 3 working nicely. All right, so I was adjusting this door. I noticed that I couldn't open it because I'd pull it and it wouldn't open. So I'd have to actually push it in to get it to release. So what I'm gonna do there is, so it's a 9/16 nut. Sucker was on there pretty tight. Okay, so just gonna loosen these guys up a little bit, okay? This one is tighter than I thought it was. Okay. So what I'm trying to do, my theory is it's too far in. So I'm going to take a thread or two out, so that way it's not so tight and I don't have to push it in to release it to let it to come out. So we're just going to turn this one. Of course my air compressor turns on as I'm filming this. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this up and we'll give it a shot. All right, we got those adjusted out. Ha! Look at that. Oh, looks like it's not bad. Looks like we're gonna go a little bit more. They're actually better than they were, but we're gonna go a tiny bit more. But we're getting pretty close. All right, so what I learned here is if you twist these just a little bit and then tighten them a little bit more, get them as tight. Just try to turn these as much the same. So you're going about the same. I already did that lower one. And then just hand tight, and then you can test it like this, and we'll see how we do. Ooh, yes. That's a win right there. So that hopefully will help you guys with adjusting your compartment doors on your Renegade motor coach. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you out on the road.